What's going on, guys? Taylor from Bag Riders here, and we also got Mr. William from Bag Riders. Or Will.
William or Will.
Bill. Billy Boy.
Check me out on IG, baby. What's up?
Today we're gonna be working on the E30 a little bit more. We've got the subframe that's out of it over in the corner over there. We're gonna finish getting the bushings out so we can clean it up, clean all the rust crap off of it. We got some new bushings coming in. They're not here yet, but they're ordered. And I got some wiring stuff to do that I'll probably finish up and go from there for today. So
Taylor,
let's get at it.
I see you're not wearing your dirty ass black hat anymore.
Oh yeah, as you guys might have seen in the other 7 Series video that probably will be released before this, we got some new hats here at Bag Riders. These are sweet 5-panel hats. I'm a 5-panel guy, and it's really been killing me to wear that 6-panel. So new horizons have been found here.
Yeah, we're never going back. Go show some support and get one of those on order for yourself to protect your face from the bright sun this summer.
So yeah, here we go. We got this management stuff to finish up. Still waiting on a battery mount from the good old people I got it from. Classic, you go to a vendor, they have something and it says it's in stock on their website, and then you order it and they email you a week later saying it's not in stock, what would you like? And then you email them back and they get back the same day. You send them what you want and they say, oh well, we're also out of that. And it's like, well, what good is your freaking website if you can't tell people that it's in stock? Because if you go to bagriders.com and it says it's in stock, it's probably in stock. Dude, you just freaking fucked up your cut.
I want to make sure I can see super well when I do this precision cut.
Can't see or breathe. It's kind of weird. I want to see if Will is actually doing the work he says he's doing.
You have a lot better leverage.
Why don't you just move it?
That would make sense.
Here, can I whack it? I really want to whack this.
Yeah, dude. I'll stand on it. You whack.
Give it one big smash, right? Watch this.
One big smash, he says.
They canceled the fair this week.
Hey. Did I mar it?
No.
I'm a master.
Well, you like...
I'm a master of not...
I mean,
I definitely marred it.
It's Will's turn to ring the bell.
Ding the dong.
Ding the dong, dude. Let's go. Oh, good lord. Wrong it. Zap.
All right, my dudes. Got those old bushings out.
I'm actually meeting up with an old colleague of mine to come by and look at the engine for the 7 Series. Who are you?
Wilson.
Speaking up today. Today we'll be working on this old champ here. We're gonna throw the front suspension in as far as we can, so basically everything but brakes. So yeah, we're gonna get going on that. We're gonna make some room a little bit and do a little bit of housekeeping first, but once we do that, we'll get right into it. About to open these things up. We got these because we're doing the E36 Five Lug Conversion on this thing, at least in the front, is like a typical E36 style, which has the bolt on instead of the weld in, like you have on the E30. And then the rear is similar design to the E30, but it's the E36 compacts and the Z cars that share the similar rear subframe and trailing arms as the E30, but they're 5 lug, 5x120. So we're doing the 5x120, so we have a little bit more wheel options. 5 lug's better. Anyway, look at these bad Larrys. We got these E30 top hats. We're just gonna toss onto here because these are E36 and they do not fit E30 strut towers. So what we need to do is figure out how we can get this at least to the point of here so that it's compressing on the bottom.
But do you know what issue we're gonna have?
What?
Is that camber plate's not gonna be able to camber like this.
Oh, true. So we need it to like pop up quite a bit.
Exactly, yeah. Because otherwise the top hat's gonna hit the top of the bag.
Yeah. So we need it to go up as much as possible. So what do we want to? We want to measure that and add like what, 1 or 2 mil to it.
Yeah. Let's go see if we might have a taller space here.
All right, we're gonna check our inventory. Stay by, or stay by. Stay tuned. Stand by. Stand tall.
We can easily throw it up.
We found them. Oh, those aren't what I was thinking, but yeah.
Yeah, but
This should work.
I mean, we don't have to use all these to stack, but we can put it on the bottom.
All right. We got some solutions in mind. We're working on something. Try with just one Delrin, because that would be ideal, really.
I think that's maxed out. Oh, it technically still hits, but that should be
I
enough.
think that's probably fine.
Yeah.
We can always revisit that.
I mean, no way the struts can be angled.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be that much. Well, let's do that to the other one and pop them in and check that one off the list of stuff we got half done. So here it'll spin doggle. But I think this is about the caster we want to run. We're doing a rally spec E30. We're part of the way there.
Yeah.
She's nearly bagged. We're gonna have a little powwow. So we gotta figure out body work for this thing. Paint it. Do we want to keep the color?
I think we're undecided with color at the moment.
Yeah.
It would be easy to keep this color just for jam's sake.
Yeah, I agree. I don't mind the color.
No, neither do I. We can do a slightly different blue because no one's ever really going to notice it, the difference between the jams and this.
But basically, I think what we're gonna do is go around and circle all of the rust areas that we want to fix and get it down to the bare metal ourselves. So yeah, let's just do it and walk around and circle stuff.
Teamwork.
This is pretty smoked. Just give her a good old freaking whack-a-mole.
That's
Whoa. Wow, good job, Taylor. You color between the lines like a really talented boy.
right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's a whole freaking thing.
Is there,
That's missed it.
Sick.
Eliminated. Yeah, so yeah, right there. That looks prepared too.
I don't know what you do right there at all.
That's the worst offender.
Like that's.
It's like drawing circles.
I like turtles.
So there's not a corner on this car that's not totally. Nice. Hey, Wilson!
I don't think you're supposed to see me right there.
Yeah. Wow. Ooh.
Yo. Yeah.
That's fun. Mainly just that pinch weld.
Does anyone want to buy this car?
Yeah. Okay, car's for sale. See you guys.
Get at it.
I don't really ever get to use this.
I mean, I'm curious if it's gonna have surface rust underneath this.
Probably.
I mean, that's not horrible, but it's.
See what it's looking like right now. I need a pressure regulator for this thing. Going in switch.
I mean, that stuff doesn't look too bad, honestly.
This is looking better as we get into it more.
Do you want to hit this?
Yeah, I'll hit that.
I mean, this stuff we can do ourselves.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. We just we got a bunch of packages. And we got these control arms in finally. This is I think it's a front hub. But we got new bearings for the front. And then there should be new bearings for the rear. I thought I got new hubs too, but oh, there we go. A couple of things that we're gonna do today. We're gonna do these control arms, get these in. We're gonna try to pull wheel bearing, we'll replace the front wheel bearings too on the front knuckles. We're gonna pull wheel bearings out of the rear trailing arms. The rear trailing arms are somewhere in the other room, but I think those are gonna go get sandblasted. And then I'm gonna clean up and organize some of this stuff so that it's not taking up all this bench space. Yeah. First things first, I wanna pop the bearings off of the rear trailing arms, wherever those are. This time on Ghost Hunters. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we don't even need to get those. Those are actually looking okay. All right, we're gonna install these front arms and then go for pulling the bearings off of these steering knuckles here, just because I think it's gonna be more fun to start with something that's gonna go together first instead of trying to take something apart. Directions here, that's what we got. Over there, these go on there somehow, and we're gonna figure that out.
Nice.
Butterfingers.
Starting to look like a car again.
Yeah.
Camber gang.
Camper gang. So what we got was a bearing separator and a slide hammer. They didn't have any presses in stock. I mean, we've been wanting to get a press, but I think we're just gonna have to order one off the interwebs.
Bam.
Smoke them if you got them. Hey!
Hey, yo. Damn. First one took like, I don't know, 30 minutes.
That one took about 5.
Yeah. This is Taylor's favorite thing to do now. It looks really good wet. Cool. You guys can watch Taylor clean.
What? Those are it. No. Did I get them for an E30? That's probably what I did. Oh,
Wrong size.
what? Well, I guess we're not doing that today. All right. So we were gonna bring some stuff over to the Media Blasters, but they are booked out till August, and there's not really anybody else around here that I know of. I'm gonna still look around, but we're gonna kind of wait on that stuff. We're gonna finish putting together the front end, so we feel like we accomplished something today.
What are you trying to do?
Bend these tabs back. No, I want you to hold the boot.
You want to hold the boot?
Yeah. Gone? Yeah. I felt it gone because you were crushing my pinky. It was more of a rhetorical question.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah?
Yeah, no, it's gone.
Cool.
Sweet. That's way easier to get at now.
Oh, she never leaving.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, she's gone. She's good now. Got a little carried away there on the sauce.
Hey. Teamwork makes the dream work. Sweet. Do we do anything like this? Like leave it? Or
I would say, yeah. Throw some stuff.
this is gonna poke it out a lot.
This isn't even the extreme kit. I went with the mild one of the two. Camper gang.
Yeah, but how close is that to the inner strut?
A centimeter or so, give or take, you know. All right, we successfully, with a little bit of persuasion, got the first arm in. This nut doesn't want to spin because it hits the frame rail, but I'm not too concerned about that. I'm gonna call those guys and just see what they think, but everything else seems to be going fine. Looking pretty dope. We got a lot of canter.
It's probably like 5-6 degrees.
Yeah. We're gonna queue up a time lapse for this last one. Just because there wasn't anything crazy to happen to us. We got the other arm in and looking good. The main goal right now is to get this off the lift kind of as soon as we can. One, because we want to get somebody to come by and take a look at this lift. So I don't try not to use the lift until we want to take the car off the lift. Main reason being there's some sort of hydraulic issue going on with the lift, and the cylinders tend to settle all the way down to the ground. So I'm thinking some sort of seal or something in the hydraulic box. These cleaned up nicely. I may or may not. I'll probably bring them with me this weekend when I do the Cerakote stuff, but we'll see. Still zero progress on the rear suspension. Gotta blast the rear subframe, which is kinda a predicament right now just because the place we're gonna go to is booked out to August and they don't know anybody else that they can recommend us to because there's not that many big blasting places. I know there's people that like do remote, but I don't want to come have somebody trailer a portable thing just to blast that. So I have a Harbor Freight one. We might just buy some media and zap it. Might as well just try that. Anyway, we're gonna start cleaning up. I think that's it for the E30 today. We're gonna clean up our mess here, and then what we're gonna do is gather the parts that we want to Cerakote for the 7 Series and get those together. So hang tight. All right, so we're cleaned up. We get a little side project here. Now that we can do whatever the hell we want each episode, we're gonna do something we've been wanting to do for a while, and that would be de-stickerizing the shop truck. Despite what the internet may tell you, this does not reduce power in any way, but it does vastly improve the look of these trucks, in my opinion, when you pull these stickers off.
Just to make it clear, this is a $2,000 option on these trucks.
Whoever would pay $2 grand for these stickers is a little special. We'll put it that way. Look at that.
Look how clean the truck is.
I mean, I guess maybe they're good stickers. Dude. Okay, that's $500 right there. Dude, $1,000 down right there. Tip of the day. If you're taking stickers off your car, make sure you got some heat. Dude, that is satisfying to watch. Yeah. That is one of the most satisfying things to watch ever. Like, it's aggressive looking, but not chintzy. Because stickers are freaking lame. Unless they're paying you to put the stickers on. In this case, you're pretty much taking out a freaking second mortgage to pay for these stickers. Whoa, back inside. Well, on that note, we're gonna wrap this episode. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Girl Scout.